All right, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Minecraft Let's Play. As you can see, I'm ditching the Roblox studio idea. I didn't think it was going so well for me. So we're gonna be playing some Minecraft now. Let's start a new world. US 11 new world. Oh, there's a limit. Dude, that sucks. We'll just leave it like that then. Allow sheets on because we're cheaters. Go peaceful mode because we're cheaters. No, we want easy. We'll go easy. Bonus chest because we're cheaters. And then create new world. There we go. Let's see. All right, guys, we got some sheep. Don't look at me. And then we've got a bonus chest in the in the middle of the ocean. Okay, in the middle of this creek, and I'm lagging so bad. We're gonna live with it. You know, we're just gonna live with that. Oh, we got a pickaxe already. All right, there we go. We're already set. Oh, we should grab that chest actually. I guess I got like the luckiest spawn ever. That, and probably because I have like all the cheats enabled. Let's steal a bed. We need a bed to sleep in, you know. I'm gonna need some stone because I need a stone shovel for what we're going to do in this video. But it's very important. Okay, so the actual goal I wanted to do today is teaching you guys how to build a awesome Minecraft house quickly. I guess I've still got to stick with some of my building roots, even though I'm leaving them in the dust now. Building the best house ever. Right over here, we got lots of wood supplies over here. Oh my gosh, from jungle biome to 10 feet over, there's an acacia biome in another village. Okay. What? All right, we're gonna build the house here. We gotta take this wood down. We're gonna leave it like that to where there's some wood in it, so we just have like this giant floating mass of tree leaves. But we're gonna go ahead and start building our house. Scratch that. I have to clear out some more of these trees so I have a bit more room. And it's getting too dark, so I have to go to sleep real quick. Now it's a new morning. And now it's also a great time to be building my house. All right, guys, here's the end of the video. This is the dirt house that I spent so much time on. Even though it's not actually dirt, it's like living. It's a living house. It's got all this nature on here. I spent hours to get this material, guys. I spent hours. It's, you know, no reason why I'm flying right now. It's just to showcase you guys. I didn't get 50 nether vines, you know, out of thin air. I got them legitimately, so you can count on me. This was a legitimate first day episode of Minecraft. You know what? Also, say goodbye to this other village we found. Dude, there's nothing left. Oh my gosh. The bell. The bell survived. Let's alert the villagers that didn't make it out. Dude, this is that's so cruel. All right, guys. So jokes aside, April Fool's jokes aside, we're gonna get back to our awesome dirt house and then do whatever we need to with it, because we're gonna be Oh no, dude. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this Minecraft Let's Play. My place got ransacked by TNT. I have no idea how it got there, but that's gonna do it. I guess we'll have to make a new world next time and start all over again, but I hope you guys enjoyed this Let's Play. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video, share the channel. It boosts me in the algorithms a ton. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video.